Welcome back everybody, VST here, Valen's Tech. Breaking news. Remember the camera update that was supposed to be launched by Samsung for the S23 series? I was not sure if that's really happening. Yeah, I was wrong because I assumed it might not happen. No, it really happened. Some of the Korean users already got the update, and there is this community post right now on the Samsung community forum. I've translated this, guys, it's in Korean, but let's just read through it, and hopefully in the next days, hopefully even in the next week, I'm gonna get my hands on it. I'm going to do a full retest on all the S23 Ultra capabilities, photo capabilities, video capabilities, Gcam, Google Cam, and then I also hope my Oppo Find X6 Pro will arrive, and boom, comparing it also with the iPhone 14 Pro is gonna be really nuts. But let's just read what they did. So this is the man himself, in charge of the camera mode. Hello, introducing the Galaxy S23 camera Gallery March update. Added features to improve gallery usability. The AF concept has been changed for faster photography. So autofocus concept, guys. AF stands for autofocus. This is really crazy. See, in addition, we improved the camera function and image quality by referring to the feedback you left in members, which means that Samsung is really listening to what the users are saying. Thanks for the many suggestions. Please use it a lot and tell us your suggestions, your questions, and we will respond quickly. And this is now very important. They have added 8 points. Let's read them through and try to process this. A function has been added to the gallery so that you can now immediately delete photos that are being processed immediately after taking them with the camera. So imagine you're taking a 200 megapixel photo. You know it takes some time to be processed. Boom, now you can delete it. Without even waiting for the final result. Now some information about the famous AF or autofocus tweak. For faster photo taking, the autofocus concept has been changed so that when the user presses the shooting button, the user can take a photo even when the focus is not completely set, which is a bit weird because why the hell will I want to get a photo that is going to end up blurry? Unless, let's say I'm shooting something that is moving very quick, like moving kids or something else, alright? So, however, if you want to shoot after completing focus as before, please change the setting in the latest camera assistant, which means that they will also release an updated version of the camera assistant. And this here is going to be the new setting, guys. Prioritize focus over speed and focus over priority. So remember, right now we have the prioritization for quality and also the prioritization for speed. They will add, the way I see it, a third option, which is going to be put priority on the focus. And you can also go focus over speed, which means that eventually the phone, the camera, will need to focus before it takes a shot. And also you can put priority on the speed, which means that you might get some blurry results. But hey, more options, so why complain? Improved sharpness, flicker, and added notice when shooting ultra wide in low light indoors after setting the camera video mode super steady on. To take a good super steady photo, I need more light. They actually are quoting, I guess, people what had them written in the forum. Really crazy. Fixed a phenomenon where a green line was displayed on the left side intermittently when shooting in the rear photo mode. I never got this, but it's good that they fixed that one. This is nuts. Improved image stabilization when shooting with FHD60 after setting auto FPS off in rear video. And this is really important for me. I don't like to use the auto FPS function, guys. What it does, it really tries to reduce the frame rate of the captured footage, trying to getting a bit more light. So this is usually useful in low light scenarios, right? But I shoot 60 frames per second in most of the times because, you know, I have 60 FPS footage. I can always go to 30, but if you have 30, yeah, it's not so, I mean, you're done. So when you use auto FPS, right, initially it will drop even to 24 frames. I did this, my tests are showing this, and apparently they now fixed that one. So when you are using FHD60 without auto FPS on, you should really have proper image stabilization. For me, this makes total sense, but there are more. Improved line-shaped bending noise in the sky and mid-low light when shooting high pixel in low-mid light. And honestly, this doesn't really tell me much. I need to test it when I get the update. Then also, guys, optimized overall sharpness for high pixel shooting and improved intermittent blurring through OIS stabilization. That sounds nice. Fix the malfunction when shooting after night off in low light after selecting shooting speed, high resolution, speed priority. This was one of the old settings. Camera assistant. So what they are tweaking here, camera assistant, shooting speed, high resolution, you can select priority, camera night, and use the scene optimizer on and off, which we know, I mean, without the scene optimizer, you're apparently not getting the nice moonshots. Also, fixed an issue where face recognition could not be recognized intermittently after ending a third-party video call. And of course, stability has been improved for camera movements. It seems to be really a crazy good update, guys. I also am getting a changelog out of Twitter and try to translate it. You can see the screenshot right now. I cannot wait to get my hands on this update. Let's just see. Sometimes when they fix things, some other things just go nuts or bonkers, but we have to see and test. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay tuned, support the channel to get the real test when I get my hands on the real deal. Stay safe, VST over and bye.